because the fire is coming from you, from Italy. Give it up for Jacopo and Linda!
porque no te puedo convencer que no te vengas.